Welcome to Maddie Talks. Roadmap to becoming a doctor in India. Do you dream of wearing the white coat, saving lives, and becoming a respected doctor? If you're in class 12 or just completed it, and you're wondering, how do I become a doctor in India, then this video is for you. In this series, I will take you step by step through everything you need to know about pursuing MBBS in India. What we will cover in this video: the complete roadmap to becoming a doctor, the eligibility criteria and entrance exams, the time required and challenges. Is MBBS the right choice for you? Stay till the end to avoid common mistakes that students make when choosing MBBS. Step 1: Understanding the MBBS journey. To become a licensed doctor in India, you have to complete MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. But what does this journey look like? Let's break it down. MBBS timeline: 4.5 years of classroom education, divided into semesters. 1 year of compulsory internship. Total equals 5.5 years before you officially become a doctor. After MBBS, you can either start practicing as a general physician or go for higher studies like MD/MS to specialize in a field of your choice. More on that in later videos. Step 2: Who can apply for MBBS? Eligibility criteria. To get admission into MBBS, you must complete Class 12 with Physics, Chemistry, and Biology, PCB. Score at least 50%, General Category, or 40%, Reserved Category. Be at least 17 years old at the time of admission. Qualify for NEET UG, National Eligibility Entrance Test. Without clearing NEET, you cannot get into any medical college in India. But don't worry, in the next video, we'll talk about how to prepare for NEET and crack it. Step 3: NEET, the only way to get into MBBS. Important facts about NEET UG. It's India's only medical entrance exam for MBBS. Conducted once a year by the NTA, National Testing Agency. Subjects covered: Physics, Chemistry, and Biology. Total marks: 720, 180 questions in MCQ format. Negative marking: 1 for wrong answers. NEET is highly competitive. Out of 20+ lakh students appearing, only about 1 lakh get an MBBS seat. That's why a good strategy and preparation is necessary. Step 4: Choosing the right medical college. Once you clear NEET, the next big decision is which college to choose. In India, medical colleges are categorized into government medical colleges, affordable but need high NEET scores. Private medical colleges, high fees but easier admission. Study MBBS abroad, an alternative for those who don't get Indian seats. In the next video, I will list the top 10 MBBS colleges in India and how to get admission. Step 5: Life after MBBS, what next? So, once you finish MBBS, what's next? You have 2 options. Start working as a general physician, government/private hospitals, clinics, research institutes. Pursue higher education like MD/MS for specialization. Some students even explore alternative careers in medical writing, pharma industry, healthcare tech, or IBIST medical startups. Final thoughts: is MBBS right for you? Before you choose MBBS, ask yourself: are you passionate about medicine? Are you ready to study for 5.5+ years? Do you have patience and dedication? Can you handle the pressure and responsibility of saving lives? MBBS is not just a career, it's a lifelong commitment to learning and service. If you're ready for this journey, then start preparing today. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll discuss how to prepare and crack NEET UG. If you found this helpful, hit like and share it with future doctors. Comment below if MBBS is your dream career.